The lightweight adventure motorcycle segment continues to grow in 2025, and two models are leading the charge, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R and the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Both bikes target riders who seek adventure, versatility, and accessibility at an affordable price point. Despite sharing a common purpose, these bikes take different approaches. KTM leans into aggressive performance and off-road agility, while Royal Enfield champions rugged simplicity and long-haul comfort. Let's break down their features, strengths, and ideal use cases. Design and ergonomics. KTM 390 Adventure R. The KTM 390 Adventure R sports a rally-inspired design, with sharp lines, a high front fender, and a tall windscreen. It has a purposeful, aggressive stance that appeals to serious off-road enthusiasts. The ergonomics are tailored for technical riding, narrow seat, wide handlebars, and high ground clearance. The R variant adds off-road focused hardware like spoked wheels and longer suspension travel, making it a true mini rally bike. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The 2025 Himalayan 450, a major evolution of its predecessor, embraces a classic adventure touring aesthetic. With a rounded front LED headlamp, integrated windscreen, and robust tank guards, it looks ready for world travel. The bike offers a neutral and relaxed riding position, with a comfortable seat, upright bars, and a welcoming stance for long-distance rides. It's ergonomically superior for extended saddle time, while still allowing for occasional stand-up off-road riding. Engine and performance. KTM 390 Adventure R. Powering the KTM is a 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine producing 43 horsepower and 37 newton-meters of torque. Lightweight and high-revving, this motor is known for its peppy throttle response and strong top-end pull. KTM has refined the engine for better mid-range punch in the R model, which helps when climbing trails or tackling technical terrain. It's paired with a slipper clutch and a 6-speed gearbox, plus a standard quickshifter for snappy shifts. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The Himalayan 450 gets a completely new powerplant, a 452 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder DOHC engine pushing out 40 horsepower and 40 newton-meters of torque. While it may seem close to the KTM on paper, the Royal Enfield delivers torque lower in the rev range, making it easier to handle in tricky situations. Its 6-speed gearbox is smoother than before, and its fueling has been refined for better tractability across all conditions. Chassis and suspension. KTM 390 Adventure R. Built on a lightweight steel trellis frame, the 390 Adventure R is suspended by fully adjustable WP Sploor 43mm USD forks and a preload/rebound adjustable rear monoshock. The suspension travel is increased over the standard 390 Adventure, making it more capable off-road. With a dry weight of about 172 kilograms, the KTM feels nimble and flickable, whether carving through twisty trails or navigating rocky terrain. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The new Himalayan 450 uses a steel twin-spar frame with USD forks up front and a monoshock at the rear, offering around 200 mm of travel. Though not as advanced as KTM's WP components, the Himalayan setup offers plush comfort and stability. It tips the scales at around 196 kilograms, making it heavier than the KTM, but that weight contributes to a planted feel on highways and rough backroads. Wheels, tires and braking. KTM 390 Adventure R. KTM equips the R model with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, shod in aggressive dual-sport tires. This setup enhances off-road performance dramatically. Braking is handled by a 320mm front disc and 230mm rear disc, with cornering ABS and off-road ABS mode, allowing rear ABS to be disabled. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The Himalayan also features 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels, paired with tubeless-ready adventure tires. Its 320mm front and 270mm rear disc brakes are assisted by dual-channel ABS, which can be turned off at the rear for off-road use. While not as tech-rich as KTM's electronics, it provides reliable and predictable stopping power. Technology and features. KTM 390 Adventure R. The KTM is loaded with features uncommon at this price point. It has a 5-inch full-color TFT screen, Bluetooth connectivity, ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes. The quickshifter adds a sporty edge, and the screen is fully navigable with handlebar-mounted controls. Its tech package caters to riders who love data and precision. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The Himalayan 450 debuts with Royal Enfield's new Tripper Dash, a round TFT display with integrated navigation, turn-by-turn directions, smartphone connectivity, and an intuitive UI. It doesn't offer ride modes or a quickshifter, but its user-friendly interface and essential features keep things simple and functional for adventure riders who value ease of use over complexity. Price and verdict. KTM 390 Adventure R MSRP, $7,800. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R is the ultimate lightweight ADV machine for riders who prioritize off-road performance, modern tech, and a sporty ride. Its top-tier components and advanced features make it an excellent choice for those ready to push their limits on trails and remote routes. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 MSRP, $6,200. The 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, on the other hand, is ideal for riders who crave simplicity, comfort, and classic adventure vibes. It's perfect for long-distance travel, scenic exploration, and mild off-road challenges, all at a more affordable price.